We're beginning with a file called hello.js, which is located in the Pages API directory of a Next.js project. This file will be responsible for setting up an API route. Here, we are exporting a default function named handler. This function will handle the HTTP requests coming to our API route. It takes two arguments, rec and res, which stand for request and response, respectively. Within this function, we're adding a comment to explain that the next line of code will send a JSON response back to the client. Here we're calling res status, passing in 200, which is the HTTP status code for a successful request. Then, we chain the JSON method to send a JSON response. The JSON object contains a key called message with a string value hello from the API. We close the handler function with a curly brace. When you now access this API route through a web browser or an HTTP client, it will trigger this handler function and respond with the JSON we defined.